Yo! Ito na naman ako, ang inyong idol. Kakantahin ko ay Living on a Jet Plane by John Denver. I hope you like it, guys. Medyo antok na ako. It's already 5 p.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. in the morning, sorry. Pinabati ko muna yung mga tropa ko sa Tanay, lalo na sa pinagbabakasyonan ko kay Kuya LD, kay Jacob na utusan ko, sa mga tropang Triskelion, Tao Gama P, Arriba, Tao Gama. Check this out. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. Dawn is breaking, it's early morning. Taxi is waiting, it's blowing his hair. Already long, so long I could die. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. I'm living on a jet plane, don't know where I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go, I hate to go. There's so many times this must leave you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane, don't know where I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go, I hate to go. That's all. Salamat sa mga makikinig at sa hindi. Fuck you. Ito kayo, mga bitch. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Salamat sa inyo lahat. At sa mga followers ko na 70,000 followers. Sa friend ko na nag-uumapaw na meron pa akong pending request na 600. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano ko pagkakashayin sa friend list ko. Sorry sa mga non-friend ko kasi puno na eh. That's all.
Hi, Pan. Thank you.